Stapelia Gigantea, also known as Zulu giant in southern Africa, is a sturdy succulent plant with green stems. Its flowers have a silk-like feel to the hands with numerous hairs on its petals. 5 of them. I'm thinking these hairs help trap insects or regulate the temperature on the flower. My opinion, of course. When unkept, this plant can invade your garden, guys. I got so carried away admiring its flower. And now, it's taking territories around my garden. So, these are the day while filming spiders. This foul, rotting rat-like smell struck my nose. Ugh. I searched around for this corpse of a rat, but to no avail. Suddenly, my gaze was caught by these boggy flies, aka green bombers, as they jostled for prime spot on this maroonish flower. Oh, so this beauty was the rotten rat. Nature. And since that time, I've been fascinated by this plant, especially the flower. Much of what I'm saying here, guys, it's my unscientific opinion. While the growing of the plant is as ordinary as any other, it's its flower popping thing that had me excited. The flower grows from this spike-like shoot to this maroonish red ball, the size of a tennis ball, and it takes up to 2 weeks to reach this size. When the right amount of sunlight has hit the surface of the flower, it pops open. Wow, man, this is spectacular. The rotten red smell helps attract big flies like boggy flies, who jostle for prime spots to sip at the secretion. Its numerous hairs help trap and detain these flies until they've collected enough pollen. Clever, ne? Then, fast forward to 3 days later, when mission accomplished status has been achieved and the secretion has been drained, it closes its hairy petals and fades to oblivion. Sad though. Yeah, cause its popping thingy had been a showstopper, man.